Okay, welcome to the last episode of cooking in quarantine, in isolation. So today's recipe is a sweet one. So we finish with a brownies. Okay, brownies. This one I'm gonna put Nutella in it, and I'm also gonna have pistachio nuts and other toppings as well. So the ingredients that we're gonna use are the butter. We're going to use chocolate and dark chocolate, sugar, flour, eggs, and obviously some nuts for the topping. Okay, let's get into it. Good. First things that we're going to do, we're going to melt the chocolate in a Bain-Marie, so which is consisting in putting water and then bowl on top, fire underneath. So you will see how this dark chocolate is going to melt, and then we're going to put the Nutella. If you don't want to do that, you can use a microwave. Okay, now we have added the Nutella. Okay, while the chocolate is melting, I'm chopping here some pistachios, some walnuts, and I'm going to do some macadamia as well. Let's have a look at the chocolate here. It's melting. Good. Now we're going to combine our melted butter with the chocolate. Good. Now we've got our eggs and sugar. Now don't worry about the number of the eggs because I'm doing a double dose here. But because now we are going to mix the eggs and the sugar, and we want a nice and fluffy cream, so we're going to add a little bit of salt, like a pinch of salt. Well, we have combined the chocolate ganache with eggs and sugar. Now the last step is to combine the flour, okay, which we need to sift. That's very important. And then we are going to mix the flour, trying to fold it into the mixture. Okay, that's the only tricky part about this recipe. Otherwise, it's super easy. Okay, the moment of the flour has come, so I'm just gonna sift the flour in the mixture like that, and then gently. Okay, so this is just when we're folding the flour into the mixture, just gently. I know it might take a long time, but you don't want to do this too fast or using like a. Now the mixture is in the tray, so just put a bit of flour and put butter, and then on the margarine at the bottom. Then we put some flour so it doesn't stick, but you can use baking paper. So I'm doing my decoration, so I'm using my pistachio nuts, but again, if you are allergic to nuts, you can use like coconut flakes, or you can even use a dried fruit. It's really up to you what you want to put. Here we are. So it's in the oven. Make sure that you don't put the oven about 170, so it needs to cook slowly, and then we'll see in about probably half an hour. And here you have it. These are Nutella dark chocolate brownie with walnuts, and pistachios on top. So I hope you enjoy this recipe.